Condemnation of police using excessive force. President William Ruto and other Kenya Kwanza leaders have continued to laud the role the police have played in quelling violence during the three-day Azimio protest. The president, while speaking in his stronghold of Murang'a, assured Kenyans of their safety and that of their property in the ongoing anti-government demos. Now, the president's move to laud the police come at a time when various human rights bodies have put the police on the receiving end for use of excessive force and brutality against protesters. Now, dozens of protesters have been shot dead by the police, and the president's remarks are bound to anger Kenyans. Clement Masombo reports.
Despite the overwhelming evidence showing police brutality, where both uniformed and plainclothes security officers were captured attacking demonstrators, President William Ruto has continued to heap praises on the uniformed officers, saying they acted professionally in containing the demonstrators in various parts of the country. President's remarks comes amidst concerns over increased police brutality on demonstrators. The number of people killed in the ongoing demos still remains unknown.
I want to commend our security agencies for being professional in how they have handled all these people. Criminals must be dealt with firmly, decisively, and make sure that everybody respects the rule of law and we don't encourage impunity of any nature. I want to say, Your Excellency, I want to encourage our officers in uniform, the gallant men and women who have lived up to their oath of office to protect life and property from criminals. We want to urge our officers to stay put.
President Ruto was speaking during a Thanksgiving ceremony at Mugoiri Girls Secondary in Murang'a County.
Irrespective of the authority you think you have or the power you imagine you have, all of us must respect the rule of law.
Other leaders accompanying the president also lauded the police officers for their actions as they laid blame on Azimio la Umoja leader Raila Odinga for derailing the bipartisan talks.
Officers must be firm to maintain law and order, and we must continue encouraging them in our country. We cannot have a country, Your Excellency, where people fear to walk freely and go about their business.
President Ruto's sentiments came on the day when the Azimio Brigade had announced their final day for protests this week. Early this week, the United Nations human rights spokesperson issued a statement raising concerns over reports of police brutality. The body in a statement said it was concerned over reports of police in Kenya using excessive force to quell protests, which left dozens injured and deaths reported. Clement Masombo,